When thinking of one of the sweetest soup in Nigeria, Banga soup always comes to my mind. Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl and Chef Basse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your Banga soup. In the pot, you go in with your water and then you go in with your Banga, which is your palm fruit. You boil it and make sure it is very soft. Then you pound. If you don't have a mortar in your house, a mug cup can do the trick. As you can see, you pound and make sure it looks like this before you try to extract the water from it. After pounding for a while, this is how it will look like. Then you add a little bit of water and then you try and squeeze the juice or the fruit, the water out of it. And after that, you sieve to make sure none of the palm fruit falls inside it. And this is exactly how it's going to look like. And then you pour in a pot and put it on fire, and then you go in with a stick just like this. It helps in drying the water fast from it to make it thick. After boiling, can you see the water has reduced? I boiled this for about 15 to 18 minutes on high heat. Then I go in with my protein. For this, I'm using goat meat, but feel free to use any protein of your choice. Then I went in with my banga spice. After that, I went in with my ground pepper and also my seasoning cube. I went in with my dry fish and I went in with my catfish, fresh catfish. And this is what we have. Allow this to boil until it is fully cooked. Then I serve. Let me know in the comment section which of your favorite swallow you go with this, and I'll see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.